So y'all, this is the Roommate Investor. I'm here on a cold day, but today we're going to show you how we're building a sauna. I'm going to take you step by step on how we're building a sauna. So today is day one and I'm outside right here. This is the closet in the garage. And what we're going to do is we're going to take this window and we're going to turn it into a door so that we can access the sauna from the outside. We're doing this for two reasons really. One, if I was to move somebody into this area, I were to move out, I would still want to access the sauna whenever I want to without having to go into someone's space. For this, I made an external door that can be accessed anytime from the outside with a lock. Reason number two, I just felt like this was the best area given the space and where the heater for the sauna is going to go and just how everything is set up on the inside. And due to there's already an opening here, I could just take this opening that's already there, go through the brick a little more and just create a door. So for those two reasons, I decided to just do it this way. Now we're going to go inside and see what they're doing with the demo. Okay, now we're in the space from where the sauna is going to be. Right now, I'm standing inside what was the closet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a wall right here, and that's the same window that we saw outside. That's where the door to the sauna is going to be. Then there's going to be a wall right here. This wall is going to divide the new sauna area and the closet. Then we're going to take this door and move it over a little bit. This is going to be the door to the closet. So now we're going to have a wall here. This is all going to be walled off. This is going to be a door to enter the closet. This is the wall, and this whole space right here is going to be the new sauna. So today is day one. Right now, we're just doing demo. A couple of things to point out was we had a drop ceiling up here, as you can see. So the way I'm learning to build the sauna is all through YouTube and research. So everything that I'm learning and everything that I'm telling the contractors to do is just through research. So I'm learning with y'all. So if you see something or notice something, please let me know. One thing I noticed was we have a drop ceiling up here. In saunas, you want to make sure the ceiling is the same length all the way across so that there's no steam pockets within the sauna. So for this reason, I'm going to be eliminating the drop ceiling and just have one ceiling going straight across. That way the whole ceiling is the same height and there's no unleveling or what they call steam pockets when in the sauna. My plan is to have a door right here and then have the benches coming across right here. And then I'm either going to install the sauna heater here or here. Once I get the wall up, I'll be able to have a better vision of what's going on and what I want to do. I'm going to have two benches, one over here and one below. I want both benches to be wide enough to where I can be able to just lay down whenever I want to. In my sauna experience, laying down is something that's very important and makes the sauna a little easier and more relaxing. But usually the benches aren't wide enough to fit my shoulders. So here I'm going to make sure that the benches are wide enough to fit my shoulders on both benches. The area is about 320 cubic feet, which I was able to factor that by measuring the length times width times height. And that's how you factor in your cubic feet. And this number is very important because this is going to determine the size heater that you can use. Another reason why I love the location of the sauna is because the electrical panel is right here. So running the electrical wire from here to the sauna is going to be very easy because it's so close. I don't have to do too much damage into the property to run the line for the heater. Once I put this wall up, this is just going to be a regular closet. I'm going to put a barn door or a pocket door over here to save a little space on the inside of the closet now that the closet is going to be smaller. And I may put double shelving on this side just to have more space. And when I run my venting for the sauna, I'm going to run some duct on this side and box it in. When I box in the duct, I can use this also as shelving for shoes and things like that. So all in all, the closet will still be a decent size, but now I'm able to utilize both sides of the closet and do something good to increase the value of the property, but also to just increase my health as well and put something in the property that I can use day by day. Stay tuned. This is just day one of the sauna build. Day two coming soon, and make sure you stay tuned for the whole series.